What does this say?
Brush my teeth.
What
Do you want? I want a cookie.
What don't you want?
What don't you want? I don't want fish. Do you want cake? Yes, I do. Do you want a salad? No, I don't.
What does this say?
Nut. Hop. Jet. Gum.
Gem.
Jam. Leg. Yeah.
Read this.
My name is May. This is my family. This is my father. He is in the kitchen. This is my mother. She is in the living room. This is my brother David. He is in the bedroom.
Very good.